is my light, my salvation. In whom shall I fear? Whom shall I fear? The Lord is my strength, the stronghold of my life. In whom shall I fear? Whom shall I fear? And you said, seek my face, your face, oh God, I seek. One thing I ask, and I will seek, to dwell in the house of the Lord for all my days, to gaze upon your beauty, to worship at your feet. Oh, one thing I seek. The Lord is my light, my salvation. In whom shall I fear? Whom shall I fear? The Lord is my strength, the stronghold of my life. In whom shall I fear? Whom shall I fear? And you said, seek my face, your face, oh God, I seek. One thing I ask, and I will seek, to dwell in the house of the Lord for all my days, to gaze upon your beauty, to worship at your feet. Oh, one thing I seek. Holy fire, Abba Father, my Redeemer, my delight. Holy, holy, God Almighty, you're the one thing that I desire. Holy fire, Abba Father, my Redeemer, my delight. Holy, holy, God Almighty, you're the one thing that I desire. One thing I ask, and I will seek, to dwell in the house of the Lord for all my days, to gaze upon your beauty, to worship at your feet. Oh, one thing I seek, one thing I ask, and I will seek, to dwell in the house of the Lord for all my days, to gaze upon your beauty, to worship at your feet. Oh,